Meghalaya Board of School Education Mbose nega sngi ka shpautri ujiliu kala Pynbna ya ka result jong ka Sslc but Hsslc arts examination. Haka ba sanpunri point kandai rio naka shispa kila pass haka Sslc but prapway point iwe nyaw naka shispa haka Hsslc art stream. Haba pai shaka Sslc exams kidon hadu san penyaw hajar lai spa nyaw pui ngut kibalaya le yakni ke exam haka ba lai pu ar hajar riu spa nyaw pu prangut kibala pass yakni ke exams kibala poi shaka top 20 hakni ke Sslc exams kilong I amiba ai hun sha kharbhi jonga St Paul's High Secondary School badu agar deep saha haka kerdan ka menengkong ya ka kerdan ka baar kala le shaka St Anthony's High Secondary School umenang man kraw kharkongor but I rila akor jongka Auxilium Girls High Secondary School. Haba pai shaka Hsslc art stream ni ka class 12 kibalayale yakni ke exam kilong arpu ar hajar news pa khatwe ngun but kibala pass hakni ke exams kilong khatpra hajar south pa life saw ngun but ka pass percentage kalong prapway point iwe nyaw nakashispa. Ya ka kedan ka benengkong layo da ka Don Bosco College High Secondary Section Tura but utau day Uram yang nilap Chakraborty but haka kedan ka baar kala ledsha I bahon lang Mauri jongka Auxilium Girls High Secondary School. Naka leong Kynjatshai la yo banyak keren bagi katu kat ni ke belawan syakmat hakni ke exam.
Kerteng I rila akor lamare kali school po Auxilium Girls High Secondary School. Te habanga yo egani ka second position kalong ka jingyo ka bakraw yang yung school pati ki bahayeng bahasam baro ningkong aklem expect bangan yo adu top 200 da kajing ai ublay ngalala man yo ikani te baro kajing snongu kalong si ublay ningkong bula ai kamet kabukot kabakya baro si snem bula ai kajing start jing shempang tening kabaan nga ai ngu ya kikmi ki pa imay pai jonga namar kilong ki ba ai min sim ki tresh tom kanang ma man yo krekot mga ya inong hikay ro baro ki ba auxilium ki ay kat kabakila ini kim jong habang ipa batay ki ni sister joblin ru ilong iba ay min sim hay ngiman kasi ti nga kwa ban ay ngo iki baro but iki bahayeng bahasam jong baro
kumba kan kantay AP
man kasi pabalong school tam dayo por ban kre ban ki homework ki te maximum like anta Indrai ban ong kajing kre kot kamintoy haka mo kan nu kan tapi kre ndai rap kre tang kidet kan taruh kide ban concentrate kide pledging bot ma kide ban puli da kajing so thu katahi ka balong kam kong san
ngade bahan lang mauri ngade na kasinong badan riting but ngade school ha po Auxilium Girls High Secondary School nong tumay haga di siya tapo ngaklem expect ra bangan yo ya kani ka kerdan nga expect ba nga expect bangan yo ki 8 ki 7 ki 9 ki 10 tang ba po bangayo ka result menta kasi kiong nga second rank tang desya na kuno ngomong langit demo ta tang giap isa yang kalis teng nga akmen te nga kadap siya kaji da kaji kmen tingkat pala jisu ublay
ngasmu kemen bat ngasmu hiro yo ublay nama bawala ay kanika jingkemen kum mangalayo ban yo eka kedan ka bapra ka top 10 nga sya kre tang kat ba yo por ma dan mahap yarap kam hayeng ta te ya baro tengah ko ban encourage makin la ban testom na ban ta ka thong changki bat makin la ban yo kata ya sok batyang ha ka ta ka thong
kong tengah smok men ngadap da ki smok men ai mu yu play bu no hau bula ku yang Hakimet di bahasa itu keren, ulainya kejingan stand, kapa dan ban sungkemen ru nama mereka ketika jingkri sistem ketika jingkemen kapa ngayai tray kapa ngayai kulit kon, bat kumjuru ketika jingkersan nang layang besar, ngai mei ipa, ketika bahing besar ini ipa, di nongkai ruas sekolah ada, ya di nongkai vision tuition ru yang maths and science ya sa GS nanda ngai kulai ya te kinong kai kanda plat ru kinong kai junior kinong kai ki belah kai nursery yang ki balong maki kinong kai ki ba la peni lat ini kunga bagi kulai utau ABK badai namar ba kicing tray minat kujungki ba ngilak ban nong ni
Kan kan ka bi kulit kwal ka.
Maju penut untuk Henry Prakenta
Ini jingnya pair ba online.
Hangahi ka jingnya pair kam dalong ka ba hadu kata nama ba ladang yai minat lada kadai online lani offline ru kalong ka babiang kit. Henry
Message of fish ini ban kena.
ka message jonga kalong ba nindon ba kijingkerman. Nama kram kijingkerman ngimna ban em jadi ngibun kijing kijing ka ba minta mo kalong ka bangi ka perse minta kalong ka perse ka ba long competitive hadu kata de ka jing ai jimut ke jonga kalong ba punya 3 minute baik jagat baja rai de banya 3 minute wala ka ki umat kiat por kira pani jang ba kemau susu kamu bang di umat ki belang kita musna ini de ban 3 minute manu
thông cho cả tất cả bạn mix nam ta phải được chọn kỳ cao chọn kỳ ta mau thì bằng làm ở hà công ty khởi nghiệp opportunities job opportunities thì chúng ta hi muốn xem người ta qua bị bằng pass kỳ civil service exams mà thì ta hi mahal kalau sih pat dalam service pengkawai ketang dengan ini nak banyak kekam biar harga future.
Kaya ka Khubor ba namar ba pip lapas ka kaya ka ba pip ay ka badang yakon macam senang kuno ba hakin kaya ban pin ajumut ka kot kaya ka por kin na ka Khubor na ta partiwe
Ka Khubor mo pa man ay si kena ta kada ba hindi ta bando jingkerman wala pila yang school yang biang kanu ka na makatiar ka mande bando jingkerman de ban tristam ben baru kasih baik hal jumina jumina ban gejing tristam te wala skin domyo bon kentar ban krek kat rumah de ban dan kam baik ni di barat rumah ban kam ha dan kum bai ong no hikayanga haka English mo it's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. Long kam shong piok art tentang piok lai tentang le mada piok tam san yang do tentang long dan kampat itu ilah menkentiu passion terang lah.
Dapat ke Khubor.
Kaji minat kalau kawai berapa yang sekat hang. But kaji tracy tong kalau kawai. Hendak klaim itu angin nak berapa sekat hang. But kemasi jong lagi ban le ki exam prepare ban tracy tong. Bagan krekat bah andi tamban su krekat andi ban pelat por kiwei ki kamru bat kunta
hai ngaka teng army care but Jylla Meghalaya Naka school St. Anthony's but ngawan haka 19th position jong ka matric list 2022 de meningkong masuk man ai burom be sayu play de yaka Barok hika day nakadaw chong ublay. Tanga syo ay ngu ublay na matakin ang kay jangi i Miss Renca, Miss Avanti, Miss Shadab, Miss Susan, Miss Bull, but i Miss Wajri. Lada kam day kajing trash tong kajing ban katukapon mabangilong pandemic ki voice message ban yarap ingi lada kam day siya kajing trash tong kajing ang anumla hira bandan kaniga jaka. Ay ngu barok ki badan kitimo jong i may ipa jong aru de man kapor kiba ju support bed de kiba hem basam baro i mi jonga i mikha i bait i daddy jonga ngasu aingot nam ta jengki de bat ngasu kwa congratulate ya baro kiba dan nang ka top 20 ba nginbo besan kong yu play bat ki iki baro kisawan hadin de kani asim gom ka kabu ban ai burom lu chu play ba kaburom kamdei sanga kamdei sunuru ndai baro kade be chu play ba ladangi wat saya ke hima ka chong play ki iki baro sa ai lang tam hingi de ngasu ai burom be chu play de koblish bun
kamdei ka kam ko busuk handai habannya sibun ki jinge ke system hawat haba niwan school kamdei ka busuk namar ba dan kijinge system ibangi hapan mat but haba one school kamdei ka busuk hapan pulut bisa pulut tengka hap pulut baik kali baro but haba ni poi saka thong ni dei ban system ba ka chin system sini ka dei ban long kaba seiso but habang itrei stong nimdi ban sutrei tandet handai ngidei ban trei nadu kadnut kamisin knang ban nyok ya torso jong gajinjok kajin tmu jonga nama ba katkum ipa jonga ikwa enga ba ngandong ban lek persang banong u nengyo jonga balang katolik ringai kang handai nanis khmat na saperkhat na ngandek ne ngamlek tam tambang hapan pakat swa asin asin na takanika.
It was really a joyful moment for me. I was really expecting a good result, and it just happened. Like it just happened.
What was your favorite subject in these exams that you felt you did the best?
I did science extremely good, so it's a great experience to get full marks in science. And I even find SST interesting, though a bit disappointing with the marks. So it's still all right. I'll be planning to take up science in Don Bosco High Secondary, Pura only. So I'm aiming to be in the position list, merit list. Even I'll work hard for it. So like no pain, no gain. So I have to work hard for it.
My name is Abhijit Deb and I'm from St. Anthony's and I'm the 16th rank holder. And a lot of hard work, and I especially thank all my teachers and all my friends, my family members. They've pushed me to the limit and I have done. I know getting the 16th is not as great as people claim it to be, but still, for the time being, I'm happy that I got it, and that's all I'd like to say. I just like to end with a note that if you want to achieve great things, you need to wait for the perfect opportunity.
It's my great pleasure to be holding such a position in the state. I'm grateful to God, I'm grateful to my teachers, I'm grateful to my mother for always being there and for guiding me in the right path. I was expecting myself in the merit list, but I didn't expect myself in the first rank. However, I'm still happy and I'm elated. This online class thing, and there's this pandemic. So yes, we had a lot of time to study, but it was self-study most of the times, because the teachers also, they could help us only to a certain limit. They could not be there physically. So it was hard, but it was still doable. We live with family, but once we start our schooling, that is from the age of 3, we spend almost 6 to 7 hours in school. So there's a great bonding between the teachers and the students. I feel we concentrate only on getting good marks. That's the thing we only concentrate on. Like if, for instance, if someone says, I study 15 hours a day, we'll be proud of like, wow. But we'll not see if they really understand what they studied. We'll not see how much knowledge they got. We'll just hear, we'll just like congratulate them, or we'll just be happy that they studied for 15 hours. But we'll not even introspect that what if they did not understand anything in this 15 hours. So I think it's better to study for 2 hours with full concentration than to waste your time studying 15 hours a day.